And this is how I turned myself from this to what you're seeing right now. Yeah, it's inspired by Ohema. I hope I got that name correctly. Yeah. Hi lovies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So today we are doing something different. Our today's makeup is inspired by somebody's skin color. Yes, one of my favorite person here on YouTube, one of my favorite beauty creators, and I am talking of no other person than Ohema. So I was going through her videos the previous day, something just came to my mind. I was like, why don't you try and make yourself to look as dark as Ohema, and let's see what's gonna be like. So I said yes, I am buying this idea, I am doing this. Okay, so that is why we are here today, to do that. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. I appreciate you a whole lot. Okay, so let's just start. I don't even know if I have a foundation that is that dark here, but this is the darkest foundation I have here, so I will work with this. Going in now with my foundation. Wow. Good. Look at the difference. Okay, I don't think this foundation is as dark as she is, but the idea is to make myself dark. So I might have to use enough foundation so that when I blend it, it will cover very well. Let me blend this one out. Okay, let's blend. Look at that. I think she's darker than this. Oof. Let's finish up. Okay, we are done with the foundation. I think I look sick. Yeah, I look my eyes, the skin color is not corresponding with my eyes. It's like very dark people, they don't have white eyes, white eyeball or something. Or is it because it's not my skin color, that's why it's looking different in my eyes? Because I say Ohema, she has white eyes. Yeah, her eyes are okay. So there is nothing to contour with. Like I said, this is the darkest shade I have here that I used to contour. So we are not contouring, we are moving on to blush right now. Okay, I'm going to use red and a bit of purple. Yes, we will need a whole lot because this face is dark, like very very dark. And then maybe when it's time for powder blush, I will now use orange one. So for now, concealer. Concealer I have here is light, but I'll just use a drop of it, just little, just little. Let's blend that out. Blend that. Oh, I think it's too light. We have the under eye left. I hope I am say dark, right? So let's blend. Oh, I didn't blend here well. I'll blend everything later. I'm done blending. So for my pressed powder, I'll be choosing a dark shade from this palette. Okay, for the pressed powder, see the shade I took. Oh, I think the shade is perfect. Wow, perfect. So perfect. To snatch the nose, I'll be picking this shade right here, very dark shade from V Beauty palette. The first palette I use is from Bisham Ageless. So I'm going to set the rest of my face using this dark shade here from this other palette. This shade right here. I'm done with that. I'll just do my eyebrows and I'll be right back, okay? My brows is done. We are moving on to eyeshadow right now. So let's just start with eyeshadow primer. Don't use too much of this eyeshadow primer. It can ruin your makeup, okay? So we are first going in with this brown shade as a transition. We are first going in with this brown shade here. And after that, we are going to take a smaller eyeshadow brush and we'll take black. And then we'll blend out here. Outer corner of the eye. So what shimmer shade should I add? Green. It looks good on dark people. Yeah, green. Let me try green. Is it nice? Let's see. I think that's enough with the eyeshadow yet. I'm feeling good in this my new skin color. Yeah. Yeah, purr. Super purr. For liner, this is what we're using. Kerite gel liner. Since we're done with the eyeshadow, let's dust this off. To take off any eyeshadow fallout on those damn lashes, okay? Let's do the lips. And we are using dark lip liner. This one. To line. Are you seeing me? So what shade are we gonna do? Let's do red first, then we will add nude to it. Where's my lip? I don't break something. Let's add red first. Red never looked good on me. It never looked good on me. Even as a dark person, it still didn't look good on me. Or is it okay? I think I have to blend that with nude. I think I should blend the upper part a bit with some brown, like a bit of brown. It will make sense. Let's see. So that it will go well with my new skin color. Yeah. I think it's okay now. What do you think? For my lashes, I haven't done my nails in 2 months. God. Is this how we're gonna do this body thing? Let me do the lashes anyways. I don't like this eyelash. It's looking somehow. I have to change it. Don't like it. Let me add powder blush while we wait for that. And I'm adding orange this time to complement the, will I say, the baby pink I created with that red and purple earlier. I like blush. Even as a dark girl now, I am still going to love blush. So let me do my thing. And it feels great. It feels good having this skin color. I think I should do all my possible best to end up with a dark partner. Very dark one, because what in the name of gorgeousness is this? I love it. We've not set the face. Hold on. This is the spray we are using. It's a dewy spray. I was actually scared of it. It didn't get to this point. Oh my god. I think I should pair it with one of those my customized Ankara earring. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Okay, look at that. Is it doing too much? But we don't have nothing. We have nothing on the head, so I don't think it is doing too much. Look at this. Whew. I'm in love with this skin color. Like, I'm in love with dark skin. very dark skin. I'm not light skin, but like I'm not white, I'm not that light, I'm just caramel, but this kind of dark skin, I love it. So this look is inspired by Ohemaa, like I said in the beginning. Look at this beauty. Look at this African beauty. African queen. Oh my god. Ah. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. It's divine. Yes. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this skin color switch. Will you be trying something like this? Yes, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.
In front of the mirror light, slow and bright, it's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. Tattoo wheels that shine like stars in the night. Joy and shadow, where beauty meets the vibe.